If your RO system or water purifier has this push fittings and they are leaking water from here, then I'm gonna show you a pretty easy fix. Of course, it can leak from, there are a lot of push connects area in the whole system. The one line goes into the reservoir tank. There are 3 or 4 lines coming out of the filter system. Then some of them are going in the faucet there, and then incoming water supply. So yeah, there are a lot of areas around here where you will see the push connects being used, and of course it's a pretty easy way of installation. And if they starts leaking over time, because all of them has o-ring, and which dries out over time, wear and tear, gets hardened, and then it doesn't give 100% seal, and that's when the water starts leaking. So I'm going to show you how you can replace that. Pretty cheap repair, environment friendly, because you are reusing the whole fitting again. Don't have to replace the whole system. So let me show you what these fittings are made of and where you can buy the parts. Okay, so this is one of the type of the fitting we are looking at, and the whole assembly is this is called collet. This doesn't go bad. It's just to hold the hose in place. You see it has kind of those teeth, steel teeth, which holds the hose in place and doesn't when you turn on the water, because the water has pressure, it doesn't let hose to be pushed back. That's what this collet does. But these doesn't go bad, so you don't have to replace this. And of course the fitting body, it's not gonna go bad either, so you don't have to replace this either. But you will see this little o-ring inside it. Of course, depending on what fitting you use, either you have a 3/8 fitting, tube fitting, or you have a quarter tube fitting. You can buy the replacement o-ring. Of course, they don't say that it's for push connect system, but they sell it in Home Depot, so that's where I got for mine. I got it for 3/8 and I got it for 1/4 inch. I have both those hose connects which I'm using in the system, and I just went ahead and replaced all, because eventually all had the same lifespan. So all you do is use a pry, get that o-ring out. I would apply some silicone lubrication. Just make sure don't use petroleum based lubrication, because then it's gonna eat away the rubber over time. Silicone is good for rubber. It just provides lubrication, and it's not gonna damage the rubber. So apply some lubrication, set it in here, and then push this collet in, and your o-ring will be set inside, and that's all. Then it's all ready to go. Just push the pipe. I wish I had a free hose to show you, but I don't. Push the hose in, make sure it snugs tight. You will kind of feel 2-time push, like one time it crosses this teeth, and second time it just inserts inside the o-ring. And when you feel that second push, that's when it is properly sealed, and then you go ahead and turn on your system, and you should not see any leak. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this information helped you and saves you a lot of bucks. If you like the videos, please share it, like it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.